guys, so today I have some really exciting news. I am moving out into my first apartment. I'm actually moving out with my boyfriend. I'm so excited. Today it is January 20th and we get to see our apartment for the very first time. We never got a tour of any even like layout of our apartment just because it's a brand new building and the building that we're in was finishing being built up. So it like finished January 18th, but our move-in date is February 1st. So today we're getting a little tour of our apartment. We're so excited. We saw a bigger layout, but we're seeing our actual apartment is what we're seeing today. Empty. I will film a little bit of that just to show you guys, but I will be filming an empty apartment tour on the day we move in before we move everything in. But I'm so excited. I'm so grateful that I'm even getting to be in this beautiful place. I wouldn't be able to if it wasn't for you guys. I'm serious. Thank you so much for supporting me and just I love you guys so much. I move in February 1st. We've known we're gonna move in for over a month now and I'm so excited. I've been really wanting to move out. 2021, it's that year to do it. I'm 18 years old. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't know what else to say. So we have less than 2 weeks until we move in. We've gotten so much. We've gotten like bar stools. We've gotten a couch. It doesn't arrive until like mid-February though, so we'll be couchless for a little while. I'm keeping my bed frame in bed, like my mattress. I have a dresser I'm bringing in there. I bought like a little rug. We've gotten literally pretty much everything for a kitchen. We've gotten so many candles. We've gotten a bunch of knickknacks, random stuff here and there. We got pretty much everything for our bathroom. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But the whole entire apartment is like floored, like wooden floors. I don't know, they're not real wood, like laminate, but it's all tile. But we're actually the first tenants in this apartment, which I'm so excited about. Well, I'd be fine if we weren't, but it's just, I don't know, this whole experience is really exciting. It's our first place, my first place ever moving out of my house. I've never been away from my home, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Literally all morning getting ready. It's like 1:26. Our tour of our apartment is at 2:30, so it's like an hour away from now. I'm so excited. Oh, all morning while getting ready, I was literally watching like other people's move-in vlogs and apartment tours and just empty apartment tours, all of that, just because I'm so excited. And I'm just even excited for today's little tour just because we have not seen our like layout apartment at all. So yeah, I am moving in with my boyfriend and I'm gonna get questions on that to clarify. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm also gonna insert a little bit of a vlog I have. It's not very long. We went to IKEA not too long, well, a while ago. But I vlogged a little bit of that day. We went to like Target and IKEA and Home Goods and the mall and stuff. So I'll insert the little clips I have from that in this video. But I'm so excited that this is, I don't know, I'm so excited. But I don't ramble on anymore. So I'll insert it into this video and then I'll show you guys a little bit sneaky peeky of the apartment. So yeah, thank you for supporting me. I love you. Comment questions you have below. I'll try to answer all of them or I'll answer them in a video. So yeah, okay, bye. I don't know. So this is my outfit for our little shopping day. I'm just wearing this black half zip kind of crew neck from Forever 21, white Nike shorts, and white Nike Air 270s. So yeah, really comfortable, really simple, comfy, simple. Let's go. I'm really excited. I feel so fun and I'm just excited. Let's go. looking at the couches. Yeah. That's so awkward. God. I don't really like the skirt. The skirt on the bottom kind of looks ugly. I don't think so. It's connected. This kitchen is so cute. Just this aesthetic right here. It's so cute. I'm being really, really indecisive. I'm out of focus. I'm being super indecisive. I can't figure out anything I want. I didn't like any of the couches. So that sucks, but we're still looking. We're just looking at stuff now because the couches were a no-go for me. Because I don't like the couches with like the skirts on the bottom, and I don't want a gray couch. I want like a beigey, whitey, cream couch. So yeah. Go. We're checking out. We didn't get much. We found no furniture. We got some, let me see. So this is all we're getting. We're getting these little pants, this thing for hot pots, toilet cleaner, and this pitcher that's cute for sweet tea. We're checking out. We found no furniture. I wanted a mirror, but they didn't have it in stock. So, yeah, okay. Wow, 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 chicka, wow, 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 wow. Thanks. So we just left IKEA, and now we're gonna go over to the mall because I want to go to the Nespresso kiosk and get some Nespresso. You made me nervous when you walked in. We at the mall.
Olivia. Look at that.
I'm feeling awkward. Maybe I could do better if you hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay? You hold it on me. You have to get a good angle of me, okay? Oh God, yeah. Okay.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So, I didn't have the pillowcase I was looking at in Aerie, so I'm hashtag disappointed. It's open satin pillowcase that I wanted, but they didn't have it, so, you know. Look at me, I'm vlogging in public. What's up? Okay. We're getting some Chipotle. Here's my Chipotle. You can tell I'm really diverse with my food. Yours looks fucking gross. I think I can make it.
Do it.
Oh, I'm nervous. I missed. That one smells really good. I love the Magnolia Health or Heart and Hand, whatever, I don't know. The Magnolia brand candles are the best. I love them.
Ryan Little.